For the day 3 exit pass, it says number 1, find the range of each function for the given domain. This is your given domain right here. I'm going to fill this in for the x values. My goal is to find the y value or the f of x value here. So I want to plug these numbers into the x here and then add 4 to each one. So I would say, okay, well, negative 2 is x plus 4. Negative 1 plus 4, 0 plus 4, 1 plus 4, and 2 plus 4. And get my new solution. So I just added these. So negative 2 plus 4, which means I subtract them. Negative 1 plus 4 gives me 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, etc. So these are my new values, known as the range. And so I would write them in set notation. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Number 2, it says complete the input-output table for using the following function below. So first, you have to know that the y is that f of x. And to solve for a, right here, I'm going to put the 2 in for x. So I'm going to change this out to a y. So I'm going to say y equals 2 times 2 plus 7. I would multiply and add 7, and that gives me 11. So inside of the table here, input-output table, I put 11 in here. Then to solve b, I would put 19 in for the y. So 19 equals 2x plus 7. And then I have a two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 7 and get 12 equals 2x. Divide by 2. And x equals 6. Okay, and then I can quickly check that. If I plug 6 back into here, 2 times 6 is 12. And 12 plus 7 is back to 19. So it worked out. Okay, now at the bottom, my 0.25 goes in for the x value here. So I'd say when the function is at 0.25, we would have equals 9 times 0.25. So let's multiply 9 times 0.25. And this gives me 2.25. So to formally write your answer, you would say the function, or f of 0.25, equals 2.25. Okay. And then for number 4, for what value of x is the value f of x equals 2x minus 7 equal to 15? So right here, this expression equals 15. You're plugging that in for the f of x. So you say 15 equals 2x minus 7. We're adding 7 over. So we have 22 equals 2x. To get x by itself, divide by 2. And x is 11.